Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make beef negimaki. It's a simple teriyaki steak rolls using scallion. You can also use long onion. If the beef is not available, you can of course use pork. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Cut scallions, green onions into 3-inch long pieces. Place the slice of beef so that the length of it is running flat and vertically towards you. Place scallions on the end of the beef close to you and start rolling. Then dust with flour to seal securely. Heat sesame oil in a frying pan. Place the rolls seam side down. Cover and steam on low heat for about 2 minutes. Then flip them over, cover and cook the rolls for another 2 minutes. Uncover and add mirin and soy sauce mixture. Then turn to make sure all sides are cooked equally. Cut and sprinkle with toasted white sesame seeds. And now it's done! Simple yet delicious, it looks beautiful, perfect for bento lunchbox. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
이따라기만 뭔가 오늘 밥을 먹었는데 짠에 떠라고 오네가이시마스 기회보다 어때네 바이바이 자그마니 오네가이시마스 바이바이 오시데스 ぜひ食べてみてください